Hey y'all, welcome back to the Bear Cave. Today I'm learning how to make steaks in a cast iron pan. Today's Mama's birthday, so we decided to make some steaks for her. We have boneless sirloin steaks and we're going to use Blackstone's blackened steak seasoning. Let's go. Cheers.
Alright, so we got the skillet warming up. We're going to take our little IR gun and see where we're at. Just because Billy's going to ask. We're at about 200 degrees, 225, 265, right there in the center. So we're going to go ahead and add our fat. Go ahead and add some ghee. Ghee is basically clarified butter. We're going to add about a tablespoon or so of that. Move that around the pan a little bit.
Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and add our steaks.
That's the applause you're looking for, kiddo. Yep, we'll only get 2 in, that's fine.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and season one side, that's up.
Now, do you know why I do it that way?
No.
Because I don't want the seasoning that goes on the bottom to burn.
It's really dark.
It's blackened seasoning.
I know, but I wasn't expecting it to look that dark.
Alright, so we'll let this go for
Minute and a half?
we'll probably go 2
minutes?
2 to 3 minutes.
Okay.
Alright, so we've been about 3.5, 4 minutes.
Okay. Go ahead.
And you're kind of looking at, you can kind of see you're cooked up about halfway. It's a big piece of meat though, so we'll flip it back if we need to. Alright, so we'll let this go about another 4.5 minutes. Yep, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Now you could add butter, you can add bacon grease. What we're going to do is we're going to let this cook just a little bit, and then we're going to start basting. Alright.
That's why we add more ghee to have the base going.
So then we can start basting, yeah.
And that's just when you do that.
Yep. So we'll be back in just about, probably about 5 minutes. Pay, do a little temp read. Go in halfway. What's it say? 101. So we know we need to flip and, because what temperature do we want to medium at?
130.
Mm-hmm. So we got a little ways to go.
Mm-hmm. This one's almost, oh, it's bleeding too.
It's not bleed.
Or not bleed, you know what I mean.
It's like myoglobin.
You know what I mean.
So go ahead and flip.
Alright.
We want to promote even cooking.
Okay. And we baste, right?
Yep.
Right. You tilt the fat down here.
Yep.
You just.
Hold on, she's left-handed. There you go, kiddo. There, change camera angle. All the way to the top.
Is that good? Or keep going?
Yep, no, you're good. Let it go. Alright, Pay, let's see where we're at. Where's it say? Right in the middle.
Right in the middle?
Right in the middle, right in the middle.
140?
140?
138.
138. So let's pull them off.
I'm going to chew on one or one on one.
All right. Let's pull them off and let them rest.
Okay. Plate number 1. Plate number 2.
All right. Now we'll give them about 5 minutes to rest. Okay, Pay. Let's see how you did. Medium. Nailed it. Let's go ahead and cut off a piece here.
Hope you know this is your steak.
Yep. You got a little, yep. Medium rare. That's awesome. It's just the way I like it.
So that's how it's looking. That's good.
So that is your first
Steak at home.
first time cooking a steak in a cast iron skillet.
First time cooking a steak.
And what do you think?
It was
What do
really
you
good.
think of the black seasoning?
It's good. I think it enhances a lot of flavoring.
Okay.
I would use something with more color though, personally. But yeah.
You don't
Okay.
like the black.
Yep.
Yeah.
It tastes really good though.
You'd be like a salt, pepper kind of guy.
Cayenne, yeah.
All right. 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
All right. So get out of here.
All right.
Well,
2 rules in cooking. Did it taste good? Did you have fun? Rock on. You guys are awesome. Bye.